Sagittarius, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong money reading ngayong April 2024. So, titingnan natin kung ano yung energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances ngayong April. So, this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your sun, moon, rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mystic Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 30% discount hanggang March 20, 2024. So, yung link para makapag-book ay nasa description at sa pinned comment. Ayan. So, let's see Sagittarius. Your money, career, finances for April. What's up? Justice. Meron kayong makukuhang hustisya. Maaring kung meron kayong merong nangutang sa inyo, hindi kayo mabayad-bayaran, so maaring ito magbabayad na or masisettle na yan. Or anything related to your money na sa tingin mo na agrabyado ka. So, you will get your justice. Okay? Yung iba naman sa inyo, this is about balance, bringing balance into your life. So, kung ikaw ay medyo naging busy nung nakaraang mga buwan, ngayong April, medyo, tama lang, no? Ayos lang yung iyong schedule ngayon, hindi ka masyadong busy. Mas may oras at panahon ka pa rin sa sarili mo, sa ibang bagay. You'll be able to balance your life. Let's see, romance. Oh, let it come to me this hour. So, some of you, Sagittarius, maaring meron kayong romantic partner ngayon na very supportive sa ginagawa mo, very supportive sa career mo. And, importante yun, 'di ba, na meron tayong mahal sa buhay na nakasuporta sa ating trabaho, sa ating career, sa ating business. Dahil minsan diyan nagsisimula yung conflict. May mga partners na nagkakaroon ng competition sa isa't isa. Yung iba nai-insecure sa success ng kanyang partner sa career, 'di ba? Or sa business. But for you, I feel like there is someone in your life who is very supportive of you, na gusto niya yung nangyayari sa buhay mo. And maari ring meron ka ngayong gustong-gustong gawin na career or business or investment na you are really working on it, na maaring binibigyan mo ng time for that. You also have passion, so pwedeng creative passion ito. I feel like you are more dedicated sa craft mo, sa work mo, sa career mo, sa business mo. You are giving it all out. And like what I mentioned kanina, there are people around you na mahal ka, who cares about you, na very supportive. Let's say your overall energy. You have the Two of Wands. May mga plano ka, na makipag-partner sa business. Or there is someone na nag-i-influence sa'yo ngayon na kinukumbinsi ka na magnegosyo or sumubok ng isang investment or mag-try ng bagong trabaho. And I feel like this is related to your talents and skills. Kasi 'di ba tayo kadalasan nagtatrabaho tayo sa company for a certain job, no? Pero iba 'yon sa ating talents and skills. So yung iba sa inyo maaring may magbe-venture kayo sa anything na connected to your abilities and your talents or your skill set. So, let's see your challenge. Anong challenge ng mga Sag? Six of Cups, Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so maaring merong person na owes you money. So, pwedeng may utang sa'yo or may kailangan siyang ibalik na gamit or pera sa'yo. So, pwedeng medyo kailangan mo pang maghintay. Oo. So, challenge yan sa'yo kung paano mo matitest ang iyong patience because it will take a while. So, pwede rin kasing may dahilan. Kaya itong tao na to is hindi nakakapagbayad or hindi niya na ibabalik yung gamit na hiniram niya sa'yo. Oo. But I see naman na very considerate ka. Yun nga lang, ang hirap dyan kapag kailangan mo na. Kasi okay lang naman kung di mo pa kailangan. Pero pag kailangan mo na, doon na papasok yung challenge. Kasi it's either you have to confront the person and ask na ibalik sa'yo. Whether this is gamit, pera, or anything na valuable. Diba? Let's see your opportunity. Opportunity, you have the Emperor. So, Aries energy yan. You have the Ten of Cups. Alam niyo yung iba sa inyo, Sag, yung family ninyo is already blessed, no? Maraming blessings, kumbaga, you are in a family where nagmamahalan, you are really supportive of each other. So, I also see you having an opportunity to lead a family. Parang ikaw yung magiging head of the family, breadwinner, no? Kahit na, let's say, anak ka, no? Pero wala ka pang asawa or, wala ka pang asawa. Pwede kang maging head of the family kasi ikaw yung panganay or ikaw yung mas may authority. Oo. So, yung iba naman sa inyo, I see an opportunity to have a business na pwedeng i-involve nyo yung inyong family members. Pwedeng magkakaroon kayo ng corporation, ayan, incorporated, ganyan, na yung mga business partners mo ay family members din. So, just make sure lang, no, kasi minsan, ganun mahirap rin kasi na, maka-business yung family mo mismo, not unless, yung talagang mega corporation na. Make sure din na alam nila yung mga responsibilities nila para hindi ito maging issue in the future. Yung iba meron ding leadership role sa trabaho, sa business, sa career. Let's see your blessing. Four of Pentacles, financial stability. Wow. The Three of Wands. This is growth. So, magiging stable yung finances mo, yung income mo, and at the same time, mas lalago pa ito. Kasi maaring you are eyeing for a new opportunity outside of your comfort zone. So, yung iba sa inyo, international trade, international business, or career abroad, okay? So, you will go on an adventure, and I feel like you're going to be lucky with this, no? So, let's see ano pa. For Sagittarius. So, yung iba sa inyo, kung meron kayong business na fina-franchise, no, mas lalong, diba? Tinan nyo, enterprise. Kung meron kayong business na sinimulan, tapos, open na kayo for franchise, mas lalago ito. Mas maraming magkakaroon ng, pagkakataon na magkaroon din ng business using your own idea through you, no, through franchising. Or, maaring ikaw mismo na company-owned, tapos magdadagdag ka ng mga bagong branches sa iba't ibang lugar. So, may energy ng Jupiter dito. So, I feel like you're feeling lucky, you're feeling good ngayong April. You are using your abilities, no? Tingnan mo, may Jupiter na naman. Second house is about money. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring makakapagpundar kayo ng assets, no? Ng properties ngayong April. Kahit maliit na paupahan, kahit maliit na negosyo, na lupa or bahay, na paparentahan nyo, or a commercial space, no? Mas lalong titibay yung inyong social status. So, you have Mars in Scorpio in the 8th house. Nako, medyo mag-ingat lang sa mga business partnership na hindi mo kilala. So, kailangan kilalanin mong maigi kasi pwedeng magkaroon ng misunderstanding, no? Lalo na kung lumalago na yung business, no? Mas lumalaki na yung pera mo. So, yun. Doon na talaga nagkakaroon ng conflict. Use your keen perception and skill in making decisions. Do not delay. Ayan. So, may mga decision making ka talaga na kailangan gawin ngayong April, sa career, sa business mo, sa trabaho mo, na hindi mo kailangang, hindi dapat magtagal, na pagdedesisyon. You are being gifted with blessings of happiness and peace. Yes. So, kasama dyan, sa blessing mo ay pagiging masaya, contented sa kung anong meron ka, at yung enthusiasm mo na mas lalo mo pang mapalago kung ano yung ibinigay na blessing sa'yo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. Bye!